Hey everyone, welcome back. It's a balmy 98 degrees and very humid out here today. I was going to have a new review for you, but my video lighting stopped working. It's 5 years old. It's an Aperture 120D, so I had to order some new lighting. It won't be here till Tuesday. So for today, I figured I would share with you this awesome sound demo of the Buchardt Anniversary 10 speakers. I posted it for my members here a few days ago, and I'm going to post a few more with different types of music. But I wanted you to hear these. Now, sound demos on YouTube are not usually very good for many reasons, because you'll never hear it watching the video back how I hear it in the room. You're going to miss the imaging, the sound stage size, the three-dimensionality. But what you can hear even in this YouTube video, especially if you wear headphones, is the bass that these put out, the tight, tuneful bass. You'll hear the warmth in the mids with these vocals. You'll hear that nice treble. This is a great sounding sound demo. I recorded it with a Zoom H6 in the room, and it gives you a pretty good idea of the tonality of the Buchardt speakers. But when you get them home and set up, you'll then hear that sound stage width. You'll hear that imaging with the vocals dead center and the instruments popping up. So enjoy this sound demo of these gorgeous speakers. I still have the charcoal pair here. I'm trying to find a way to buy them, but I don't think I can. But hopefully I'll be able to hold on to them for a few more days and enjoy them. I hope you enjoy this sound demo, and I'll have some new reviews for you next week.
Et le vent du nord les emporte dans la nuit froide de l'oubli. Tu vois, je n'ai pas la chanson que tu me